The thought of pouring water into your nose is such a scary thought. Hello everyone, welcome back to Dawn for Life. I always talk about using the Neti pot, and today I'm going to show you how to use a Neti pot. So first, you will need to boil some water. Add about half teaspoon of pure sea salt into the pot, and then add in 1 centimeter of hot water and give it a good stir. Make sure all the salts have been dissolved. You don't want them stuck in your nose. Add in filtered water until it's full. And remember to check the temperature. Make sure it's lukewarm. So one last step before we move on is get your hair out of your face. Tie them up or put them in a headband. Check one last time. Make sure the water has a hint of saltiness. And now gently place the spout into your nostril, creating a seal between your nostril and the spout. Do not do this. Do not force the spout into your nostril or cringe your nose. Then now gently tilt your head to the side, keeping your mouth open and breathing through the mouth if necessary. Just relax, let the water flow to clear out your nasal passages. And once you're done, repeat the process, fill the teapot, and move on to the other nostril. Move your head and body and arm together. It's like a seesaw. Everything moves together. Do not just move the arm, stuffing the spout into your nose. Do this. Tilt together, tilt together. Perfect.